What if, tomorrow, humanity packed its bags and moved to Mars, a world with no oxygen, freezing nights, and a constant barrage of deadly radiation? Sounds terrifying, right? Yet, some of the smartest people on our planet believe this isn't just science fiction. It could be our future. So today on World Adventures, let us strap in and explore one of the biggest what-ifs of our time. What if humans actually lived on Mars? Imagine stepping out onto the Martian surface for the first time. Mars is called the Red Planet for a reason. Its soil is literally full of rusted iron, giving it that iconic, beautiful hue from space. But the moment you land, the harsh reality hits you. The air here is 95% carbon dioxide. You can't breathe without a specialized suit, and one single tear in that suit means instant death. Gravity is only about 38% of what you're used to on Earth. Sure, you could jump higher and feel lighter on your feet, but this isn't a superpower. Over time, your bones and muscles would weaken from the lack of resistance. Mars might look exciting from a distance, but from the second you arrive, it's a planet that's actively trying to kill you. And it's not just the air that's hostile. Mars is cold, extremely cold. The average temperature hovers around a bone-chilling -60 degrees Celsius, and during the long Martian nights, it can plummet to an unimaginable -125 degrees. Then there are the dust storms. These aren't just little desert whirlwinds. They can grow so massive they blanket the entire planet for months at a time. When that happens, your solar panels stop working, plunging your base into darkness. Visibility drops to practically zero. And if something goes wrong, communication with Earth has a delay of up to 22 minutes each way. On Mars, you're on your own. Help is never coming fast. So, how would we even begin to live in such a place? Humanity's first Martian homes wouldn't be sprawling cities. They'd be sealed, pressurized domes, or, more likely, deep underground bases. Shielded from the dangers on the surface. Inside, everything would be artificial. Oxygen would be generated from resources on site. Water would be meticulously recycled. Your food wouldn't be farmed. It would be grown in advanced hydroponic labs. Forget the feeling of rain, the sight of green trees, or the sound of ocean waves. Your world would be the constant, unchanging view of red dust and rock. This extreme isolation poses one of the greatest threats. The psychological toll, the silence, the confinement, the crushing awareness that Earth is just a tiny, distant, blue dot in the sky. Living on Mars wouldn't just be a test of our technology, it would be a profound test of the human mind. If you ever find yourself struggling with feelings of isolation or hopelessness, please know there are resources available to help right here on Earth. Your mental health is important, and you are not alone. But the most relentless danger on Mars is invisible. Earth is protected by a powerful magnetic field that deflects harmful solar and cosmic radiation. Mars lost its magnetic field billions of years ago, leaving its surface completely exposed. This constant bombardment of high-energy particles is a serious threat to human health, capable of causing cancer, damaging our DNA, and leading to severe health complications. It's the main reason why future Martian cities would almost certainly need to be built underground, using meters of rock and soil as a natural shield. Mars isn't just a new place to live, it's a permanent battle for survival against an unforgiving environment. So, is this our destiny? To live underground on a frozen, irradiated world? Maybe not forever. Scientists have a grand, ambitious dream called terraforming. The idea is to transform Mars into a second Earth. By melting the polar ice caps, we could release vast amounts of carbon dioxide and water vapor, thickening the atmosphere. This would trap more heat, warming the planet, and eventually allowing liquid water to flow on the surface once again. With a warmer climate and liquid water, we could introduce plants to produce oxygen. But this is a project of staggering scale, likely taking thousands of years to achieve. What's fascinating is that evidence suggests Mars once had rivers, lakes, and a thicker atmosphere. It might have even hosted life. So, the question is, are we returning to an old world, or are we daring to create something entirely new? Living on Mars would be the hardest thing humanity has ever done. It wouldn't be easy, and it certainly wouldn't be safe. But with the challenges facing our own planet, it might just be necessary for the long-term survival of our species. It pushes us to innovate, to explore, and to dream bigger. So, let me ask you this. If it meant securing the future of humanity, would you be brave enough to move to Mars? If you love exploring impossible worlds and pondering the biggest questions about our future, make sure to subscribe to World Adventures. The universe is full of mysteries, and we're just getting started. Thanks for watching.